Guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to fix that horizon line, the issues we had in the latest firmware, how best to do it within the settings. Let's go and quickly find out. Really short video for you. So I'm battling the wind today, so it's going to be quick. But you look there in the horizon, then that horizon, the gimbal is off. Just by looking at this red line here, you can see the right-hand side of the image is actually under to the left-hand side. So a quick way of doing this is click on Control in Settings, then Gimbal Calibration. Once you're in Gimbal Calibration, you want to click on Manual. Don't click on Auto. We'll get to that. Now they should be on 0. For some reason they've already been preset at 1.8 for the horizontal. That's why it's off, and that's probably why you're having a wonky horizon line as well. So by clicking on the minus icon, you can actually change that to how you need it to be on your gimbal. So if it's actually to the right hand side, then you want to click the other side and just play around with that until you get a really straight line. So just by looking on that red line there, you can see already just by changing that to 1.3, that looks a lot straighter and a lot better than what it was at the start of this video. You can also click recenter gimbal. This will point the gimbal straight down and then straight back up. Sometimes that fixes it, but not always. But you can see already by doing those two things, it looks a hell of a lot better. And that right hand side in the distance where that school is, that is completely now in a straight line going across. I'm just going to actually change it to 1.4, and that looks really nice and straight. So go and copy them settings and try that, or try it for your gimbal for the best calibration to get a really nice straight horizontal line. So another thing you can actually do is you can just look underneath, and this will be in advanced gimbal settings. You can also change the speed and the smoothness when you're actually wanting to change that gimbal. When you're doing a normal mode, sports mode, or in cine mode. But you've also got the option to do a full auto calibration. So make sure your drone is on a flat surface, and then you want to click auto. Then when you click auto, the gimbal will automatically move, and it'll go from 0 to 100%, and it should calibrate that to what it feels is the most stable and smooth horizontal line. But as you can see, unfortunately, that doesn't always work, and that's where you then also need to make manual calibrations. So I've got it back in the air now, just by looking at that setting again. We'll just click on manual. So those are all reset now to 0.0, but it should have also calibrated that gimbal to be really straight. And has it? Well, it looks a lot straighter, but I do feel it still needs some more manual play just to get that really straight. So I'm going to actually change it again now. So I'm going to keep moving that minus icon until it looks straight. Each time you do a gimbal calibration, it's going to have to be a different value. So 0.6 worked for me. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. A really quick video there, because myself, and I know a lot of people contacting me saying that they're having issues with this, and there has been a delay getting this out just because of the terrible weather we're having in the UK at the moment. But go and copy that, go and check them settings out. Let me know in the comments down below, did that help? Did that fix the problems with you? If you do have any consistent still problems, do a full reset, clear your cache, turn the drone off, turn it back on again. And if you're having loads more problems, just contact me either on Instagram, the Disney 5, or through YouTube in the comments down below. But hopefully doing those manual calibrations to the gimbal will sort out your wonky horizon line. So take care, guys. As ever, we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.